Hey, what's going on, guys? This video, I'm going to be talking about custom constructors. So here we have the default constructor, which if you don't put it here, it's going to be made automatically for you. But now I need to create a custom one. Pram is a free mock interview platform where you can develop your technical interviewing skills. Practice coding with live execution of all major programming languages to solve real interview questions. Interview types include data structures and algorithms, product management, behavioral interviews, system design, front-end, and data science. I've personally used this service to successfully crash course for a software engineering interview. Lots of people are having success getting positions at companies like Amazon, Google, Twitter, and more. Check it out, I'll leave a link for you guys in the description. So taking a look at our code, we are trying to create a new student by passing in the first and last name. You can hover over this and it'll give you some suggestions. And one of them is to create a constructor student string. So when you click that, it brings us to the student class and you can see public student and it creates these two strings for us. Now the purpose of this constructor is to initialize the fields with the appropriate values. So for example, we can say first name is equal to FN and last name is equal to LN. And it should work. So we can go over in our code and we can say sysout s.firstname and we should get a value. And it does work. Awesome. But there's one gotcha here, and that is if you look at our student class and we get rid of this default constructor, it's no longer going to be created automatically. So anytime we have a constructor that's custom, the default constructor is no longer implicitly created. So what that means is over here, if we try to just say new student with nothing in the parentheses, we're going to get an error. And it says this constructor is undefined. So you need to remember, if you need that default constructor and you're creating custom ones, you need to add it yourself. So you can follow this fix, create constructor student. Very simple. And now you can do that. But be warned, it might make your student in an undefined state if it doesn't have a first name or last name. That's up for you to decide what is required for a student to be a valid student. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that helps you understand constructors a little bit better. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. Duh.